Hello friends, welcome to today's session on Arithmetic Progressions. In this session I am going to explain fourth question for you from exercise 5.3, page number 113, chapter 5, Arithmetic Progressions. So let's read the question first. How many terms of the AP 9, 17, 25 and so on must be taken to give a sum of 636? So he is asking how many number of terms in this series are required to make a sum of 636. So we have to find out the value of n. What is the value of n? And what is the information he has given? He has given Sn is equal to, that is sum of the first n terms is 636. And then he has given arithmetic progression 9, 17, 25. From this I can calculate the value of a and d. A is equal to, first term is equal to 9. And common difference d is equal to an plus 1 minus an. That is equal to, I'll take second term, subtract the first term from the second term, 17 minus 9, that is equal to 8. So I got the common difference as 8. Now I know the formula of sum of the first n terms of the arithmetic progression. What is Sn? Sn is equal to, there are two formulae for calculating the sum of the n terms of the arithmetic progression. The first formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And the second formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. So in the first formula I need the values of n, a and d, and in the second formula I need the values of first term and the last term. L is the last term. Because in this problem we do not know what is the last term, we are going to use the first equation for solving this problem. In this equation I have the value of Sn, which is 636, and I have the value of a, 9, and d is common difference is equal to 8, and I have to find out the value of n. Now I will substitute the values of Sn, a and d in this equation and solve for n. So let's start solving the problem. N by 2 into 2a is 2 into 9 is 18 plus n minus 1 into common difference d is 8 is equal to Sn. The sum of the terms is 636. Now n by 2 into 18 plus 8n minus 8 is equal to 636. So I'll divide this whole equation, n by 2 into 18 minus 8 is 10, 8n plus 10 is equal to 636. Now I'll divide this equation by 2. 2 1s are 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So 4n into n is 4n square plus 5 into n is 5n. This 636 come to this side, minus 636 is equal to 0. So we got this equation. We got a quadratic equation. If we solve this quadratic equation, we'll get two values for n. Let us solve the equation. I'll solve this equation by splitting the middle term method. So let's see how we can go about this method. First of all, I'll multiply 636 and 4. That is the constant term and the n square term. 636 into 4. 4 6 are 24, 4 3 are 12, 12 2 14, 4 6 are 24, 1 25, 2 5 4 4. Now I'll take the LCM for 2544. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 9s are 18. 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9. So that's all. 53 is the last number. Now let's multiply all these terms. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 3s are 48. So 53 minus 48 is 5n, right? So I'll write 4n square plus 53n minus 48n minus 636 is equal to 0. So I can write 5n in this form, right? 53n minus 48n. That's why we have taken the LCM of this 2544, so that we can write this in the multiples of 2544. Now I'll take the 4n common from these two terms. 4n into n minus 12 plus 53 into these two terms. N minus 12 is equal to 0. 4n plus 53 into n minus 12 is equal to 0. I have taken n minus 12 common, so that we are left with 4n plus 53. 4n plus 53 into n minus 12 is equal to 0. Now the product of two terms is 0. So one of these two terms should be 0. So let's assume first of all n minus 4n plus 53 is equal to 0. 4n plus 53 is equal to 0. That implies n is equal to minus 53 divided by 4. Or let's assume n minus 12 is equal to 0. That implies n is equal to 12. So we got two answers for this equation. N is equal to minus 53 by 4 and n is equal to 12. But we know that n can only take the value of positive integer. Why? Because n is the number of terms and it cannot be a negative fraction. So we'll rule out this answer and we'll consider only this answer, n is equal to 12. That is the solution for this problem. I'll explain the problem once again. So he has given an arithmetic progression series 9, 7, 25 and so on, and he is asking how many terms of this series are required to make a total of 636. So he is asking for the n value. Sn is 636, a is equal to 9, d is equal to 8, and n value we have to find out the n value from Sn equation. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here I have substituted the values of Sn, a and d and solved for n. So I got a quadratic equation 4n square plus 5n minus 636 is equal to 0. I have solved this by splitting the middle term into two terms. That is 4n square plus 53n minus 48n minus 636 is equal to 0. So 53n minus 48n is also 5n, right? So I can write this equation in this form. And I have taken common numbers and has factorized them into 4n plus 53 into n minus 12 is equal to 0. So I got the n value as 12 and n value as minus 53 by 4, and I have considered the value of n is equal to 12. Hope this is clear. You can refer to other videos for more solved questions in this exercise. You can leave your feedback in the comment section below. Until then, see you.